This is my all-time favorite drink to take, and I'm absolutely delighted to hold your hand and show you how you can recreate this delicious kunu recipe. And all you're going to be needing is some guinea corn and some millet. So I like to do equal portions of each. So if I'm using 4 cups of millet, I'm using 4 cups of guinea corn, exactly the same proportion. You're going to soak that up for 24 hours, and then you're going to wash it and destone the grains like you can see me doing in the video. So all I'm going to be doing now is to wash and then remove every stone that is inside using a calabash. Well, everybody has a way that they destone, but this is how, I've always been taught how to do it. Okay, so now that we're done, you're going to be adding some cloves to the grains and then some ginger. Add as much ginger as you like, and then you're going to mix it up and blend it until smooth. You want to blend this until it is silky smooth, emphasis on silky smooth, so that you don't waste any of the grains or juices that you can get from your soaked grains. And then you're going to add that in a bowl. Just keep blending, and then you add until you're done. So next thing you want to do is to blend some potatoes. These are dried sweet potatoes. You can use siro, which is rice that hasn't completely matured, but I like to use sweet potatoes. So you're going to blend it like you can see, and then you're going to add a portion of the millet and guinea corn that you have blended, and you're just going to mix that and set it aside. You're not going to use it now, don't worry, I'm going to show you when you're going to use this. Now that your boiling water is ready, you're going to pour it into the guinea corn and millet mix only. So you're going to add this, and you're going to notice that it will thicken just like how you're making pap. So you're going to mix this, and then you're going to set it aside. You're going to let it cool until your hands can touch the body of the pot without quickly removing it because of the heat. You just want it to be a bit warm, not cold, but I mean in between warm and a bit higher than warm, but not cold. So long as you touch it and then you don't feel the urge to remove your hand quickly. And then you're going to add that mix of guinea corn, the millet, and that sweet potatoes that we set aside earlier. This is what is going to separate the kunu. In Hausa they say like shine is senka kunu, so it's going to allow the kunu to separate so that you can easily sieve it into the juice, because if it doesn't cut like this, you're not going to be able to strain it using a cheesecloth. So once it looks like this, you know that it has separated, meaning that there's like water at the top, and then the remaining kunu is just sitting at the bottom. So you're just going to mix this, and then you're going to use a cheesecloth and strain it. So now that we're done juicing, you're going to add a cup of sugar. Now sweet potatoes, I don't know, it's like a natural sweetener, but well, depending on how sweet you want it to be, I just add very little sugar because you sure you can, some people don't even add sugar to this because there's already like a natural sweetness to it. So I add a cup of sugar and then I just mix it, and then I'm going to sieve it one last time after the sugar has dissolved completely. So this removes whatever chaff that may have escaped while I was sieving the first time. So once you're done straining, you're going to um, turn all of the kunu into containers and then you refrigerate it. You cannot keep it outside, if not, it's going to ferment. Remember that we're working with starchy grains here, and leaving them outside will just cause the fermentation process to begin, considering there's also sugar inside. So you're going to add this, pack them and then fill them up in the fridge, and then you can enjoy whenever you like. I hope you found this helpful. Remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and check out other videos that we have on our page. Thanks for watching. Bye.